Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff, and today we're taking a break from the sneaker reviews to check out something that I've been super excited about, because today we're unboxing this. It's the new Lego Technic Lamborghini Sián FKP 37. Yeah, I know unboxing a Lego set isn't something I usually do, but trust me, y'all are gonna want to watch this. Alright, at $350 in the US, this is Lego's most expensive car set ever. And in my opinion, it's also the best looking car set they've ever made. Because damn, look at that. The Sián FKP 37 is Lamborghini's fastest hypercar ever. That was a limited run hybrid machine that sold out even though it was priced at a whooping $3.6 million US. And yeah, there were only 63 of the actual Siáns made. But hey, don't worry in case you missed getting your hands on the actual car, because the Lego version just went on sale this June 1st. I mean, sure, you won't be getting the 819 horsepower engine or that max speed of over 350 kilometers per hour, but at least you get that vivid Lamborghini lime green. Fun fact, there were actually only 63 of the actual Siáns made, and apparently none of them were the same color. So how's that for uniqueness? It's a 3,696 piece 1:8 scale model, and it is an incredibly detailed Lego set that comes complete with a replica of the V12 engine, a movable rear spoiler that raises up. There's even scissor doors that open up to a really detailed cockpit with a fully functional 8-speed gearbox. I mean, that's pretty insane. There's also front and rear suspensions, a steering wheel with the Lamborghini badge, and under the front hood, there's also a hidden tiny Lamborghini overnight bag alongside a unique serial number that apparently unlocks special content somewhere. So yeah, this is a really impressive set and I can't wait to assemble it. The entire fully assembled scale model measures about 23 inches long, 5 inches high, and 9 inches wide. So yeah, I'm excited, but let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so this is the box it comes in when you buy it from Lego directly, which is appreciated because this way the actual box doesn't get damaged. Alright, I'm just gonna open this up. And wow, okay, the first thing you see is that gorgeous lime green Lamborghini hood on top of the box. Damn, I'm just gonna take this out. I should point out that Lego Malaysia has ruined the box by putting this annoying sticker on the hood. I don't think I can remove the sticker without ruining the box, so I'm just gonna keep it on. But yeah, that's kind of a bummer. I love that they made this look like the bonnet of the car. It even looks 3D, but it's actually just really clever shading used here. Going around the box, you can see more details that make this look like the back of the car with the wheel on one side. But damn, look at that back. With the taillights, the dual exhaust, and even the Lamborghini branding. Yo, this is a box that you're definitely going to want to keep. And maybe even show off to your friends that you own something Lamborghini. Around the box, you have more details like the 3D hologram sticker to verify that this is authentic Lamborghini merchandise. There's also this very interesting 18+ logo which shows that this set is made for adults only. On the bottom, you have a photograph of the actual set. So I'm just going to open up the box here. And once you take off the top of the box, wow, okay, so here you have this really cool arrangement. These are actually boxes that contain the actual Lego bricks, sectioned by number, but they are arranged to look like the top of the engine vent area of the car. Seriously, I just love the effort they've gone through to make that box look so freaking cool. Okay, I'm just going to remove these one by one. You can actually see the numbers at the bottom of each pack. This is to make it easier to assemble the car section by section. And once you remove all the packs, you can see these two very thick booklets that again have a picture of the set on them. It's such a cool dramatic reveal, I totally love it. As you can guess, these are the usual Lego booklets with instructions on how to assemble the set. But the booklets also have a little bit of Lamborghini's history inside. And then underneath the booklets, there's just this carbon fiber like design pattern, which you also see around the rest of the insides of the box, with this motto printed in Italian here as well. There's also the number 63, which is the actual number of Siáns produced. I'm assuming there's going to be more of the Lego sets though. All in all, there seems to be a lot of attention to detail and care gone into the design and production of just the box itself, which is pretty great for fans like me. I mean, sure, the box probably added up to the expensive price tag, but hey, Lamborghini is a premium brand and this is a premium Lego set, so that premium price tag isn't really that huge of a surprise. Honestly, for those of you all that know me, I'm a huge Lego fan, and this set is just a really huge feat of engineering innovation. I feel like this is the most premium set that Lego has produced so far, even more than the Bugatti set that dropped in 2018. And as a Lego fan and a fan of super sports cars, I feel super privileged to have this. The Lego Technic Lamborghini Sián FKP 37 is now available in Lego stores across most parts of the world from June 1st. If you're a fellow adult fan of Lego or you just have a lot of time on your hands, Or just in case you're still in lockdown at home, well, here's a great set to keep yourself occupied for a bit and a great collector's item for sure. But that's about it for the unboxing. I'm gonna end this video now because I'm super pumped and I really want to start assembling the set immediately. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on the assembly process or maybe a look at the assembled set itself. I'm also really curious to know if you're thinking about picking up the set yourself. Of course, if you want to see photos of the assembled set, stay tuned to my Instagram and maybe give me a follow at ClintonJeff. And if you have any questions about the Lego set, make sure to ask away right in the comment section below. And hey, if this video was helpful and you want to support the channel, we do a lot of sneaker reviews here and a lot of cool unboxings. Make sure to hit the like button right below and maybe subscribe because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys and I'll catch you in the next one.